Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Reading charts is hard. And one of the things that makes it hard is how the data is laid out on the charts. And sometimes it's easier to read than other times. And mainly that's because the charts that you're using, they kind of suck by default. And there's a reason for that. And it's sort of this little known trick that I think might be pretty easy for you to use and be able to read your charts in a more clear way. So let's take a look at this chart right here. This is MP materials. Doesn't matter what chart it is, it's just an example. And you look and we've got basically the whole chart is in the bottom 2/3 of the range here. And we've got sort of all this black space. And we see this is a pretty big move over the last couple of days in this example. But, like how do we make this just a little easier to read? Well, look, if we go to the beaker here and we just get rid of this 200-day moving average, and I'll show you why, because how this works is that your broker or charting platform, whichever, and this is the same for all of them, it's if you're looking at a 6-month period, it takes all the data in the 6 months and it lays out the y-axis here, the vertical axis, to accommodate all that data. But look, the 200-day moving average is the data point that's up here, and it's just taking up all this space. So why don't we just get rid of it? So we go here, we go boom, click that, apply, okay, and now look. Now we can see just a nice, much bigger picture, and it's easier to derive maybe a resistance area. This is just the wicks here. If this was a little bit more squished, it'd be a little bit harder to tell, and we just get to see a more clear picture that way. So it's a little trick that makes life a little easier for a chartist, and I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Go and trade smart.